Hi everyone, this is AM Negi and I am a trainer at InfoSec Train. I hope everyone is safe and doing well during this pandemic. For all of you guys, there is an exciting news that we InfoSec Train are planning to launch a bootcamp for Pentest with the title of Beginner's Guide to Pentest. We are launching this bootcamp on the date of 27th and 28th of May. Yes, it will be a 2 days bootcamp and the time duration will be 3 hours for each day. So in total it's of 6 hours bootcamp, that is on the 27th and 28th of May. If you talk about the agenda of the bootcamp are divided into 2 days. On day 1, the agenda of the bootcamp is to understand how to planning and scoping, understand how to conduct information gathering, and understanding scanning. So basically on the day 1 we'll be looking out for how to plan your pen testing, what all are your scope, and how to perform information gathering, which is one of your step of pen testing. It's a very crucial one. So we'll be learning about how to conduct information gathering, and later on we'll be moving on to the next step, which is your scanning. So we'll be performing scanning with the help of Nmaps. So we'll be displaying you that bit as well. And then later on we'll be moving out for the day 2 agenda, which is your enumeration, which is the next step of your pen testing. After that we'll be doing what? We'll be exploiting our host. So I'll be showing you a machine and we'll be exploiting that host with all these methods, right? So we'll be going from information gathering, then to scanning, then enumeration, and then later on we'll be exploiting that host. And after exploiting a host, we'll be understanding how to prepare a report. If we talk about who all can attend this bootcamp, then to let you know, all you need to attend this bootcamp is a curious and interested minds who all are willing to learn. Since the title says itself, it is a beginner's guide to pen test. So everyone is welcome for this bootcamp. So guys, register yourself, book your seats, and I hope to meet you on 27th and 28th of May. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy.